Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You should already have Pycharm and the Python versions installed. If not, pause and install them. Once done, open your project and go to Settings or Preferences. This starts the interpreter configuration. You pick whether to use a new virtualenv, an existing environment, or a Conda interpreter, because isolation prevents dependency conflicts. Make sure to note the interpreter path. This is the file Pycharm will run. Now move to adding or creating the interpreter for this project. In the Add Interpreter dialog, choose the type you need. Virtualenv for lightweight isolation, Conda if you use Conda packages, or Docker for containerized runs. You must point to the base Python executable. Pycharm will create the environment or register the system one. If you create a virtualenv, decide whether to inherit global site packages. Usually you do not, to avoid conflicts. Click Create and watch Pycharm install helper packages and index libraries. This enables code completion and inspections. After creation, select the new interpreter for your project and run a quick script like print hello to verify it works. If imports fail, install packages from the interpreter pane or use pip in the environment. Make sure requirements. TXT is up to date. If something breaks, check the interpreter path and file permissions, confirm the Python major version matches your code, and ensure virtualenv activation scripts are present. One key tip: recreate the interpreter if path or config appears corrupted. That often fixes hidden issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.